Understanding unavoidable accident in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might encounter in daily conversations, news, or legal contexts. Unavoidable accident. Understanding this phrase is crucial for mastering nuanced English communication. Let's explore what makes an accident unavoidable and how it's used in various scenarios. An unavoidable accident refers to an event that happens without anyone's fault. Despite all reasonable precautions, these accidents occur due to unforeseeable circumstances. The key elements here are lack of negligence and unpredictability. For example, if a tree suddenly falls on a car due to a lightning strike, it's considered an unavoidable accident because it couldn't have been predicted or prevented by the car driver or anyone else. In everyday life, this phrase is used to describe situations where accidents happen despite the best efforts to prevent them. It's important to differentiate between accidents that could be avoided with more caution and those that couldn't be prevented under any circumstances. Discussing examples, like natural disasters impacting drivers on the road, helps illustrate this distinction clearly. Legally, the concept of an unavoidable accident plays a significant role in determining responsibility and liability. If an accident is deemed unavoidable, it means no party can be held liable for damages or injuries since there was no negligence involved. This section can include examples from legal cases to show how courts determine the unavoidability of accidents. When discussing unavoidable accidents, it's crucial to use precise language to accurately convey the lack of fault and the unforeseeable nature of the event. Phrases like, despite all precautions, or could not have been foreseen, help emphasize these points. Practicing sentences in scenarios where this phrase might be used enhances comprehension and ability to communicate these nuances effectively. Understanding the phrase, unavoidable accident, enriches your English vocabulary, especially in complex or formal discussions. Remember, it's all about context and the specifics of the situation that determine whether an accident is truly unavoidable. We hope this video has illuminated this interesting phrase for you. Happy learning, and we look forward to exploring more English language gems with you.